Hey, what's going on, people? Tech Jamo. We out here with another product from Marvel. Now, this is their Scorpion range of cheap, economical PC equipment. I'm gonna have to cut this, man. This is their KG909 mechanical gaming keyboard with the UK layout. Now, from what I understand, it's got blue switches, so they're gonna be loud, tactile and clicky, and that's just what I'm looking for to kind of vex anybody that happens to be near me when I'm typing up a storm. Now, it says rainbow backlit, but it doesn't necessarily say RGB, so every individual key might not necessarily have multiple colors. It might just be a case where each key has a predefined color and it either lights up or does not light up kind of thing. So yeah, it'll be interesting to have a little look at that when we unbox it. But yeah, no, it seems good. Metal front panel, programmable buttons, full anti-ghosting, mechanical switches obviously, seamless gaming it's saying. Yeah, let's pop it open and see what's good. Right, we've got the thing open. It's even got a little piece of brand in there, a little piece of something there as well. And then that's the back of it. Yeah, no, it doesn't look too bad. Don't look too bad. Slap that down. Got a little instruction booklet, but bad man don't read instructions, so we just slap that to the side there. All right, so here we go with the keyboard. Where are you going with that? It looks decent. It's calm. You got red, yellow, purple, cyan, green and darker blue kind of thing. These can't change color, but they do change patterns if you hold the FN key and press this INS button. This one's some kind of crazy party mode. I don't know how anyone types when the keyboard is doing this, but each to their own. Oh, I've just noticed it actually has a light above the space bar. Like, not many keyboards have a light there. It's usually on all the normal buttons. So yeah, there you go. Props to them for that at least. And we've got this kind of snake mode. Yeah, anyway, we've got bare different lighting modes that you can go and choose. One thing to say though is that the keyboard is not very easy to see when the lights are all off. So for me, it'll be a case of having the lights on all the time. If we look at the back of the keyboard, it looks like we've got 4 rubber feet, one here, one here, one here, and one here. And they give good enough traction on most surfaces. Obviously, I've got a little gaming mat here, which is also from Marvel, but even if I didn't, it'll be really decent to put on. Now we've got 2 stands here as well, like I said, which, you know, raises your typing angle. My only issue is that with the 4 rubber feet on the bottom, both all making contact when it's flat, when you lift up 2 of the feet like that, these 2 rubber feet on these sides no longer make contact with the surface. So it's a lot easier to slide it around when you have it in the elevated position. But hopefully it will be cool for people anyway. But apart from that, a very simple, easy to use keyboard with blue keys. I'll just show you the switches here. Bare clicky, fam, bare clicky. Now me, myself, I'm pretty happy with the keyboard. Like I said, it's lightweight, it's easy to use. It's got, you know, some kind of rainbow backlighting, so it kind of looks a bit gamey, but obviously it's not got that individual key RGB, fam, which is what you're gonna get from your higher priced versions of these mechanical keyboards. But as far as a mechanical keyboard goes, literally for the tactile sound, the button travel, all them kind of things, it's pretty much on job. It's pretty much on job. Thank you for watching, guys. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe, like, check the social medias as well. All of them at Tech Jamo. And I'll catch you in the next thing, innit? Bless. Yeah, babe. I have to edit that one. Bears.